Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reset your MoneyGram password. So before starting, make sure that you have access to the email or phone number that is linked to your MoneyGram account. And this will help you regain access quickly and securely if you forget your password. So first, you will go to your MoneyGram page MoneyGram page. And now that you're here, you will go ahead and click this login button right here. And now what you will have to do is click on forget password below the login fields. And now you will just have to enter the email address associated with your account. Then you will just have to follow the instructions in the password reset email. And then you will just have to click the reset link sent to your inbox and make sure to check your spam folder if you do not see it. Finally, just create a new strong password and confirm it. You can use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. And then once you're done, you will just have to save your password somewhere safe. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.